I'm going to cut this piece of chicken like this and make 2 pieces out of it. I like to use this kind of knife. It's fillet knife or boning knife. So this is how I do it. First of all, I see like a big piece of fat there. I'm just going to trim that off. Okay. Now let's see. What's going on back here? You got, it's messed up here. It's got like, I like to start with the thinnest part and work my way to the fattest part. And I like to make sure that the handle portion is is outside of the countertop area, because that can get in my way, make me sit like this. And then the next thing you know, you have 2 way off uneven portions. This requires quite a bit of practice here. Starting from where I think is the half thickness mark. I'm pressing down here and cutting. And every so often I like to take a look at the other side of my blade to see what it's doing and adjust if I need to. Let's see what's going on that side there. Ooh. This kind of knife is really the best tool for this job. Let's see how I did. Terribly. This piece is way thinner than this piece. Practice makes perfect. At least I got like the whole thing. I didn't like rip off like one piece or nothing. But this one I'll pound a little bit. This one I don't have to pound at all. I actually didn't do too bad. It's just that this piece is slightly thicker than the,